Hi guys, Ed the Cake Guy here. I'm going to show you an easy way to decorate a cake for back to school. Starting off, I'm going to cover this cake with fondant. It's the base of the cake that we're going to decorate for our back to school. Remember, take off the air bubbles on the very top. Work from the inside out in little circular motions. Once you do that, then you can go to the sides. The easiest way to start smoothing out your fondant is to pick one side and slowly work from the top down. Ensure you don't have any bubbles. Fold it and work your way back. It takes a little bit of practice, but when you've got the technique down, you can do a large one, a small one. Now, the smaller the fondant cake, the harder it is to cover. Guess what? In a matter of seconds, you can cover your entire cake in a perfect, mirror, smooth finish. You want to cut off any excess. I go about an inch longer than I need to. And this is when I start to really take out any bubbles using my fondant smoother. Get a beautiful top without any air bubbles down. Be patient, it will pay off in the end. If you hurry, you can have fondant that tears, and we all know how bad that can be to try to patch up or fix up. And sometimes the only answer is to start all over. We don't want to do that, ever. Because again, time is money, and nobody has time to do the project twice. Right now I'm going around the final pass on the fondant. Make sure it's nice and even all the way around on the base. Pretty dang good.